Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you how tomato ketchup is made, from fresh tomatoes to final bottles. The key to our signature taste lies in the careful balancing of flavors. We use vinegar to precisely control the acidity.
Every batch is checked for perfect thickness.
Only the best ketchup leaves our plant.
And that's how tomato ketchup is made. Here from harvest to bottle.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.